5 English. Okay, let's start. Today we'll do a new chapter. So unit 5 section 1, this is my card. What is this? My card. Now see, let's start. Once I made a little card. You know card? What is this? This is a card. Okay, card where you can carry things. Card. Once I made a little card. It was a lovely thing. It was a lovely thing. The poet made a card and it was very lovely. Lovely. Okay, very nice. Okay. I painted it with blue and red. So he painted it with blue and red. Okay. And made the rings of string. And made the rings. Rings means to control. This is known as rings. Okay. A thread to control the horse. This is the rings. And made the rings of string. With thread he made. Okay. I made the rings with what? He made the rings with string means thread. He made these rings with thread. Okay. Rings is to a thing to control the horse. Made the rings of string. I called my little wooden horse. This is a little wooden horse. What the horse is made of? The horse is made of wood. I called my little wooden horse. His name was Rat-a-tat. His name was what? Rat-a-tat. And when he walked his tiny hoof, this is known as the hoof. Horse, this is known as the hoof. This black part is known as the hoof. This is the hoof. This is this black part of the horse. This is the hoof. Okay. So, and when he walked his tiny hoof, and when he walked with his tiny hoof, said pit a pit up. Okay, said pit a pit a pit. They said pit a pat. Okay. Now when he was walking, it made a noise. What? Pit a pat. Okay, this is the noise. Now see, I harnessed him between the shaft. Means I controlled. How to control? I control the horse and the cart with what? Between the shaft. This is the shaft, long stick. Have you seen the long stick? This is known as the shaft. So he harness means to control. I control him between the shaft. He looked so nice and neat. He looked so nice and neat. And there he stood and did not move. And there he stood still and did not move. His pretty little feet. He stood still without moving. Okay, his pretty little feet. Now I did dream. Now he was dreaming that he said, just think. Now he was dreaming to himself and he was thinking, just think how very odd it feels, how odd it looks or feels up to pull this lovely little cart, to pull a cart that hasn't any wheel. This cart has no wheel. He made a cart and a horse, okay, his wooden horse with a cart, but there was no wheel. So he was dreaming and he was thinking that how odd it looks to pull a cart without wheel. Without wheels, you know, these are the wheels, tires, wheels. So without wheels, it looks very odd. Okay. So he searched. I hunted means searched, high and low, top and bottom, everywhere he searched in the house. Upon my nursery shelf means childhood shelf. Shelf means where you keep many things. So he searched everywhere. He hunted everywhere in the house, high, low, everywhere, up, down. Then he got in the nursery childhood shelf. I found 2 empty cotton reels. Have you seen the cotton reel? Cotton reels are empty. Cotton reels are round shaped. So he found 2 empty cotton reels. Cotton thread reels. I fixed them on myself. Then he fixed the cotton reels here. Cotton reels. This is the cotton reels. See, thread is finished here. So it is empty. So empty cotton reels he fixed. So, and I found 2 empty cotton reels. I fixed them on myself. Then he fixed it on myself. With black and yellow spot they were. With black and yellow and black spots are there. So very neat and smart. It was looking very neat and smart. That Rat-a-tat was proud to draw my lovely little cart. Then Rat-a-tat was very proud to pull the cart. Draw means to pull the lovely little cart. When he got the hills, the horse became very proud to pull the cart. Okay, lovely little cart. Next, we are all ready now. Then the poet and the horse saying, we are ready now. I said, gee up. I said, gear up. That is, we are ready now. I said, gee up. We are going to the town. Now we will go to the town. Okay, this horse will now ready to go to the town because he has wheels now. To buy Papa a tall black hat. What will buy from the town? For Papa means father. A black tall, Papa means father. Black tall hat, and Mama means mother, and Mama means mother, a silken gown. So for father he will bring a black tall hat. This is the black tall hat. and silk gown. For mama, that is mother, a silk gown, a silken gown. Okay, so this is the poem. Okay? So for today, this much. Okay, now let's see what we have at the back. So question answers I will give you. Question answers I will give, no need to do. Use suitable words to fill in the blanks. You made a little card. This one you will do. Number B you will do homework. Okay. Number B you will do homework. Okay. Then question answer I will give you. You will do number B homework. Okay. This one you will do homework. For today this much. Thank you.